Hey guys, Tony here. I'm just updating you guys on AMC. It's not looking that good, to be completely honest. We're pre-market. We're already under $11. It's not looking like we're gonna be headed back. As far as just looking at the naked chart, usually pre-market is a good indication of where the momentum is gonna be on AMC or GameStop for the day. I will be releasing another GameStop video today soon. Um, Unless we are creating a lower high here and then we bounce off and go back to like 13 bucks. But even so, like I said, it's just not looking good on the AMC side because we dropped so much on the after hours, right? And even pre-market, we're trading at under $11 and not above 11 or 13 bucks, I think. So as of right now, it's not looking good. It's looking like we are going back down to maybe like around, I think we're actually already there. We're already around this level, right? So I do think we already broke support. We're already down around these levels. There's a chance today that we might hit, what are the lows? 7, 8. Yeah, there's a chance today that we might keep going down to like between, not to like 7, 8, $9 maybe. I mean, there's a chance that we might keep going lower on these levels if we don't bounce from here. If we bounce from here, we should probably go back to retest 13, 14 and then go back and retest 20 bucks. But if we do go back down to like the 9, 8, $7 mark, I think we're gonna be trading flat throughout this whole week. And I think that's kind of a good indication of, probably tomorrow also. And even the volume is low. Usually, like last week, AMC had a volume of over 1 billion, and right now it's 434, which is less than half of that. So, as of right now, pre-market AMC, it's not looking good, guys.